this is Natalie from Line.arrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with a flip through video. And it's been a while since I did a complete flip through video, because usually I start making journals and I don't finish them. But this one is finished, and it's basically a folio, a Tim Holtz folio that I decorated. I see some thread that I have to cut off because it's double. But yeah, I use the okay, I'm trying to look for the papers from the kit, but I can't find the promo sheet. But I use the Blue Memories Part 2 papers, and also all the pieces from the 4 weeks challenge papers. The challenge papers can be found in the Facebook group, and the Blue Memories Part 2 is available on my Etsy. But yeah, this is the final result. It has a fabric closure like this, well, a fabric ribbon closure like this. And you just take this up and then slide it underneath and just pull, and it closes like this. And it has the elastic that works like this. So now I'm going to open it. I elongated this part because it was like, yeah, I think it was until here. So I made a larger piece. I added some fabric in here. If I am honest, I think it does need something over here, but I will leave it as it is. Maybe somebody who will own this journal or folio wants to add it herself. I did a lot of messy stitching, and that was on purpose. I wanted the raggedy, torn look. That was what I was going for. This is the front side of the journal. This spine, it has fabric, and this is the back side. I inked around the edges and sewn around the edges. It opens like so. And on this side, we have the, I think this is the 4th week challenge. Yes, the 4th week challenge with a little envelope thingy. And it also has the Easter elements in here. And it's tucked in here, like so. And then you have the hinges that come with the folio, because this is a Tim Holtz folio. And I added some fabric cluster. I have this over here, and over here this is from, I believe, the 2nd week or the 3rd week challenge. I'm not sure anymore. No, the 2nd week. The different orientated pockets and journal cards. They are in here, and then when you turn it over, you have a tag, and in there is a picture from the kit. Then I have these vellum pockets that I created. I created a whole thing on camera, so you can see how I made it. And it holds little ephemera pieces, so they slide in here like so. And this is just clipped on with a little paper clip, but it can tuck in like so. This can rotate, so if you want to write on it, you can still do that. Then you have the tags on here on this hinge. They all can be rotated. So if you want to write on it, you can still write over there too. Another pocket slides in here, and then another journal card in here, and then over here a little journal piece, another one of the challenge pockets with a challenge card, this piece, and I added the bingo card on the back side of this pocket. I like that, and we have a picture over here. Then there is a little booklet in here, a little journal, and you can take out the journal. It is not easy, but it is doable. And the journal has different papers from the kit. It is printed on presentation paper. I bought this by accident. I had this in a bow. I haven't decorated any of these papers. All the decoration you see is what is in that kit backside, and you can slide it in here. I'm so sorry, I forgot to turn off my phone, and this is the sound of my Etsy store. Sorry. Which is great because I'm not sure what is happening, but I don't believe my store is being found very well. Views are dropping, and I heard from Etsy store owners that Etsy has changed the algorithm, and I assume, well, that change isn't good for me, but I don't know. It's just something I heard. This slides open like this, and in here we have the flappy thingies, and I did this off camera, to be honest. I did some inking on here, and I also created fabric clusters, and it opens like this. And in here is the first week challenge, a little booklet, with a little tag in here. I absolutely love this tag, by the way. I was creating this while I was talking to Stacy after the live, because I made this during a live video. No, I did not. I made, I don't know anymore. Oh, I created a belly band, but I didn't put something in. I forgot. I think this can be slide off. Yeah, you can take it off, so. But yeah, and also a little pocket in here. So this comes with the folio. Then there is the envelope that I created from the envelope project 25 that I did together with Tracy Fox. We created a 5-piece kit that is for free on our Ko-Fi. And I believe this is all with mine papers. I also have another one, but I kept that one in my journal. But these are the elements that come with the envelope. And then you have tickets in here. A little portrait that holds things like a bill from the hotel. A postcard, and another tag, and they all slide in here. And this is actually the template of the envelope, but I covered it with fabric, and I put the fabric on the outside. And I have a video on how I made this too. I also have a video on how I made that, and I also have a video on how I made the pockets. I also have a video on how I made this piece. And I also have a video on creating the whole folio. The only thing I did off camera was creating those, the closure of the flappy thingies. This goes like so. And I thought this would fit better with this because it has a lot of blue than the other envelope I created. And there's also the tag of the Delft's blue vase with florals. And I made this to put something in here, but I didn't. I forgot to put something in. So, but yeah, this is the completed folio. And I will put it in my Etsy for sale. Although I'm not sure if anybody is interested in buying this and if anybody can find my shop. But yeah, this is the complete folio, and I had a lot of fun creating it. Yeah, I really like it. To be honest, I really want to hold on to it a little bit longer, but I have 2 boxes full of made things. I don't know where to store it, and I still have a few elements, well, journals to finish. Those are not included in those boxes. So yeah, it's a lot. So then you slide over the elastic, and with the elongated flappy you can still put stuff in, because it can also, if you make it a little bit more bulky, it has room to grow, as you can see. You can also fold this a little, round this, so it will slide over a little bit better. But I didn't do that yet, because maybe the person who is going to be the new owner wants to do it herself. But yeah, this is the completed folio. Like I said, it's a Tim Holtz folio, but I don't believe they are for sale anymore. I believe you can buy these on eBay for a lot of money. Only the folio, nothing in it. But yeah, like I said, I will put this one in my Etsy for sale. So if you're interested, you can go over there. And all the journals, well, I only have one at the moment, but any journal that I put on sale in my Etsy is always included with shipment. Just so you know. And also shipment can go up to like 20 euro, is equal to around $20. That's only shipment. From the Netherlands to any country, it is always around $22 shipment. But that is included in the price. So yeah, this is it. This is the journal I created. At the moment I'm working on 2 things actually. I have this decorated envelope, and I have this one that you saw me create a few days ago, or 2 days ago. Still have to work on this, but yeah, this is it for today. But this is going to be in my Etsy, because I have, like I said, I have this one to finish. I have to finish this one. I have to finish this one. This one has this is going to be a chunky monkey too. So yeah, a lot of stuff going on. Absolutely love this one. But I am going to work on these, but mostly off camera. And then when they are done, they are going to be, I'm going to do a flip through video, and then I will put them in the Etsy store too. But yeah, this is it for today. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, maybe want to leave me a thumbs up, a comment, and I wish you a very happy Sunday, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.